As people honors me with their lips, but their heart is far from me. You mark your brow with ashes gray, but will not cast your sin away. You stand and pray in crowded streets, yet mercy dies beneath your feet. You fast for eyes that look and scan. You build your crowns by hands of man. You bind the weak with heavy loads and call your structures holy codes. Yeah. Woe to those who trade my word for customs shaped by voice of her. You nullify what I have said and crown yourselves in what I dread. I desire mercy, not your show. A humble heart, not outward woe. Give it secret grace alone. Fast unseen before my throne. Add not to what I command. Take not away by human hand. For I, the Father, search the heart. I tear false altars all apart. Yeah. Who required this from your hand? Who built this feast I did not plan? Yeah. You won the days I never spoke, while simple truth lies torn and broke. See, let none take you captive now by hollow words, a ritual vow. The fear of man will build a cage, but truth alone will break the stage. Return to me with heart made clean, not painted sorrow staged and seen. Break your pride, not just your bread. Walk in the words that I have said. I desire mercy, not your show. A broken spirit bowed low in hidden places. Seek my face in quiet rooms. Receive my grace, for I resist the proud display, but draw the humble near my way. And I will reward the secret flame that burns for me and not for name. Mend your heart and not your guards.